This mattress size is particularly popular for single sleepers, children, teenagers, or individuals with limited space in their bedrooms. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the 8-inch twin hybrid mattress.
About this item, general note. Please allow 24 to 72 hours for your mattress to regain its full shape. Memory foam will expand faster in a warmer room. The expansion time of the mattress will vary as per the surrounding. Materials: 53% polyester fiber, 39% polyurethane foam, 6% rayon fiber, 2% polypropylene fiber. Responsive hybrid design. The contouring comfort of memory foam and the durable, bouncy feel of steel springs come together in one hybrid mattress to create our most popular mattress ever. Unbeatable value. Comfort meets value when it comes to this affordable twin-size mattress. It's made with durable materials to give you and your family good sleep for many years to come. Product details. Size twin special feature pressure relief. Low motion transfer item firmness description medium fill material Bonnell coil. Comfort foam. Memory foam brand LINENSPA product dimensions 74 inches L by 39 inches WX8 TH. LINENSPA 8-inch memory foam and Innerspring hybrid mattress, twin mattress, bed in a box. Medium firm mattress. The 8-inch twin hybrid mattress combines the best of both worlds, offering a balance between the support of traditional Innerspring mattresses and the comfort of memory foam or latex layers. This mattress size is particularly popular for single sleepers, children, teenagers, or individuals with limited space in their bedrooms. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the 8-inch twin hybrid mattress. Medium firm feel. With multiple supportive layers, this 8-inch medium firm feel twin mattress provides just the right amount of support, not too soft and not too firm for universal comfort. Ships to you. With direct shipping to your door, this Innerspring and memory foam mattress is so much more than just a bed in box. It's the complete package.